Oh my God, it's him again. Who? The international brand ambassador. I saw him on Twitter, even on YouTube. He's the most trending guy. Again, it's your brand ambassador, international masterclass person. Listen to this. Right now, I've got one of the brothers who has come to support this unit. Let us listen to him at this moment. My brother, what is your name? This is Mathada. Let us hear more. What brings you here? He is saying that the disease is the mother unto him. My brother, can you please share with us? Anything good you learn is a lesson from mom. My brother, can you please talk to the people who are watching us at this moment? We've got thousands and thousands of people over there. Lichini chene nga ava vanji va magogo vane vakonitaira chena kuda vakama urivona vone ava chiringeze vachindivona nombo ningari mini khavo
vatu aritevenjerezve muchiguru ava riise pando moya kerekeni risiriche kereke muchiguru muchiguru ndikoneveve vachiriteka kenaka ifemi uridione kwa kerekeni ausina mtu weva achingaya kerekeni arimukeguru vasunguri auyiwe kerekeni.
Once again, we saw the catering department was here. Again, the funeral parlor was here. Tell me, my brother, tell me, Buddha. Nibona mushumo sidaka kubikele na ba funeral atateka mozi chimizanga derate yova yavudi nosubona hani
mushumo wobesa wazodinga mali uri naziliwa ndobona ngadireva yeza wazvingayi zviwazvozodhara mukuma rune mutu mumwe na mumwe uri uchitovidzoliwa ayadzitera ngaune apa akufuna vatu vola rune wopfa
rikuriwa kamanda ava va funeral undertaker vonifara hani
navo vomufara zvavudi ngori vachimbidza mushumo zvavudi ndovona nazvivone kuchimbira zvavudi ngavudhaire zvikilini.
Thank you very much for your time, my brother. As TFV funeral cover us, we believe that God will heal this wound. Ngazituku echichirunda chidovya chapora rakanotanganedzana chirapchivichakama. Thank you very much for your time, my brother.